I am going to speak a few words. The topic obesity is absolutely preventable. Becoming alert to the dangers associated with obesity will lead you to discuss a free healthy lifestyle. You should be aware regarding the various implementation of obesity and utilize the best approach to overcome it. John Kenneth, who is an American economist, stated, "More die in the United States of too much of food than of too little." Obesity is one of the most complex disorder and has become a growing problem all over the world, because nowadays we all are working as a machine and we do not have time to take care about our food as well as about our health. Always we all are prone to eating fast foods and we do not even practice to a simple exercise. The causal factors and awareness regarding its implementation remaining are unknown to many. Therefore, the essence of my speech today is to persuade the people who are not worried about being obese to take steps to overcome obesity in order to lead a healthy lifestyle. Today, my presentation will focus on the three main areas, which are the present climate of obesity, causal factors of obesity, and how to overcome obesity. Firstly, the recent study highlight that an escalating amount of individuals across the world, irrespective of their age, are suffering from obesity. According to the American Heart Association 2013, American aged about 20, 150 million are overweight, which include 79 million men and 74 million women. In addition, Alice Park in 2010 states that in the decade of 1991 to 2000, the overweight adults in the US increased by 61%. According to Volga and Yancy 2013, currently 35% of Americans are obese and 6% are unhealthy obese. By 2030, 51% of a population will be obese and 11 are unhealthy obese. Now that we have discussed the present climate of obesity, let us look into the causal factors of it. According to the article named "What Causes Overweight and Obesity 2012, significantly speaking, among multiple triggering factors, the most prominent would be the lack of energy balance among many other causal factors. It states that an inactive lifestyle leads to obesity, such as spending hours in front of television and computer. In fact, people are not burning enough calories. Thus, it may lead to other diseases like coronary heart disease and so on. Moreover, environmental factors too cause obesity, such as long working hours and time spent commuting. In addition, lack of healthy food, rich in all nutrition, cause it. It is for a fact that intake for high-fat snacks and sugary foods, due to food advertising, may sway customers to buy these high-calorie foods that result in obesity. Furthermore, revealed in the article, medical causes of obesity, apart from overeating, medical conditions such as depression might cause obesity. Now that we have discussed the fundamental heading factors to obesity, let's move on to understand various measures to overcome obesity. We are blessed that multiple ways are found to help fight obesity. For example, the article named "Preventing Childhood Obesity in 2014 revealed that in order to prevent childhood obesity, the child should be encouraged to have healthy eating habits. These may include serving a reasonable size protein, drinking a lot of water, intake of low-fat or non-fat milk products, include plenty of vegetable fruits and whole grain and so on. Secondly, behavior adjustment will lead to an obese-free lifestyle. Behavior modifiers include increasing physical activity, setting realistic goals, self-monitoring, and so on. Furthermore, in a clinical setting, one can get involved in physician-supervised weight loss programs. They may include supervised meal replacement plan and pharmacotherapy. Since now we have investigated into the therapeutic treatment for overcoming obesity, now let's recap the main point stated during my speech. In winding up, it has to be taken into consideration that an increasing number of individuals are becoming obese in the world, irrespective of age or gender. The various factors that lead to this situation include the secondary lifestyle, environmental factors, and even medical concern. Thus, it has become important to utilize preventive measures to regain a healthy BMI, such as sticking to healthy dietary pattern, behavior modification, and in some cases getting treatment in clinical setting. In fact, overcoming obesity will bring you an extended life expectancy with minimal health complication even at a later stage in your life. And let me recap that it is possible. Thank you for everyone for listening. Have a good day.